So I saw something that was very nice right now. And I saw the people were tuning in to the mood of the music. If we go back to this last song, right? The artist's name is Kenny Burrell. He's a guitarist. And the guitar starts, right? You want to dance, right? So, I like to talk about music, especially the emotion behind songs. And the best way to put this into words is movies. Movies are very smart when they implement music. If it's a sad scene, they're going to put in sad music. You know, they're not going to put in rock music in a sad scene. It doesn't make no sense. So I think that it's a very good way for us as dancers to analyze the mood and the emotion behind the song. So let me ask you, this song, Kenny Burrell. What would be the characteristics or the emotion behind this song or the mood behind this song? And it could be different words. You could give me 20 words that could fit this music. But it's good to talk about it and it's good for you to be aware of this. Give me some, yeah? Naughty. I agree. You know, you could go and battle somebody. You'd be like, like a little bit naughty. It suits the scene. Yes, very good. More words. It's very relaxed. It's very confident. Yes, very good. More. Yes, it puts a little smile on your face when you listen to the song. Absolutely, yes. More. Happy? Happy, agreed. Sorry, yeah?
Quick sales when you get up in the morning, he's feel full of energy.
Absolutely. Yes, it's great. So, see, the thing is that when you listen to music, the person that made the music, that person was also feeling something. And they express it through music. So the more we can tap into the emotion of a song when you dance, the more special your round is going to be. You know, so very good. So now that was let's put a different song on and then listen to that mood. And I'm gonna take some random break beats. Okay, X-Rain. I know, he was talking. He wasn't listening straight away. That's the test. Music goes on, boom, you gotta start scanning straight away. Tough? Yes, mysterious, very good. It suits the music. Very good. Very good. What else? So we have tough, we have mysterious. It suits the music. What else? More, come on. Yeah, sure. I could give you a few words. Yeah, tell me.
Industrial style.
It's industrial style, but now you're listening to how the music was made, not the feeling. You know what I mean? But it has a certain, how you feel when you, but you're true, it's very industrial made music, you know? I agree with you completely. But you're going into production level now, you know? We're talking about emotions in the music right now. I can give you a word. It could be revenge. You know a movie, somebody killed my father, and I get my weapons ready, it's time for revenge. Yeah. Yeah. I will avenge my father by winning BC1, you know? But see, all these little words will help you develop more your character and express yourself better on the music. Because, play one more time. You can't dance on the same song. If it's a happy song, you dance happy. You gotta go. Nice. Okay, give me words. Give me words. Words to express this. Sexy. Yeah, okay, yeah. Sexy, what else? Which country? Which part of the world? Ah, woman. Yeah, I also thought. He said woman. Woman. Ballroom dance. Yeah. Maybe like ballroom, I understand, like it could be like man and woman dancing together, right? Yes, absolutely. What part of the world? What country could this be? I think I have an idea, but I'm asking you.
India.
India, no, bro. Come on, man. India? Yes, of course. Puerto Rico. So we know Puerto Rico. I heard words sexy, man and woman dancing together. I can have easily 5 more words that suit this. Think emotion. What type of emotion is this? No more words? Come on, guys. So many of you. What type of emotion? Aggressive, angry. Invite girl to dance. When you invite a girl to dance, are you in a good mood? Are you in a bad mood? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you excited? Yes. Yeah, I agree. Excited. Da, 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 da. Woo! Come dance with me. Yeah, let's go. I could add the word party for sure. Party. So the thing is, there are breakbeats that are based on this type of music. They sampled it, made a breakbeat out of it. But play the song really quick, one more time. Everyone is in search of the secret to prepare for battles. Well, the time has finally arrived. Because in my latest masterclass, I've collected every single detail on how to gear up and prepare for battles and competitions. Learn how to organize your arsenal, compose your rounds with a variety of options and strategies, all extracted from my 25 years of competitive breaking experience and unmatched coaching background, including founding the Battle Droids, one of the world's largest breaking schools, and coaching the Chinese national breaking team for the Paris 2024 Olympics, all with tremendous results and accomplishments at the world's leading events. Every bit of my expertise is found in this masterclass. Check out the new Prep for Battle Masterclass on my website, coachsambo.com. Peace. And see, like his body language changed all of a sudden. He had these. All of a sudden, the guy looked like he came from Central America. You know what I mean? His body posture changed, and so he's adapting to the mood and the thing of the song. Go ahead, get something else. Let's listen to some more music and let's try and pick out these moods, these energies. And I need more words from you. I need you guys to listen, feel. You're gonna see something in your mind, and I want you to speak it. Okay, listen.
Perfect song for rocking.
Emotions, words, scenes. Give me stuff that matches this song.
场景啊，描述一下。战斗，war。
War? Yeah, it has that I'm coming for you feel. Yes. Okay, what else? So that's good, because he knows when he hears this, dun, 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 he want to battle. Okay, good.
Shine on the stage。
Shining on the stage, very good. More.
还有吗？就是感觉。
Yeah. No, I understand. He had a hard life. Yes, and want to express with it. Yes, okay, I agree. I feel it too. Very good. This song also, what I felt strong groove. Yeah, and I feel like some funky. Strong confidence. Match a little bit what you said, you know what I mean? Man with the glasses in the car, he's a confident guy, don't f with him. Yes, very good. Okay, maybe one last one. Okay. I feel so many things when I hear this, yeah. Move forward, yes. The past. Go forwards, yes. Tell me. Okay, firmly, okay. More? Team spirit, yes. Together with your team, going to the top. Yes, more words. Gangster, yes. It had a gangster feel to it, yes. Dum, dum, dum. Very, I agree. More? Come on, Monkey Z, give. Tell me your emotion.
Gangster have a really good preparation to.
Yeah, ready to rob the bank. Yes. Yes. No, absolutely. Yes, I agree. Yeah. For me, when I hear this, I hear success. Ready for success. Ready for whatever the mission is. I hear victory. I hear number one, winning. Bum, bum, bum. Give me the confidence. Maybe very good music to listen to in the physical training. Running. Bum, bum, bum. Good for your mind, you know? So this is what I mean with tuning into the emotion of songs. And I saw a lot of people do this in the last exercise. And the Kenny Burrell. I saw a lot of people go smooth, you know. That's very good. You want to do this more. And like I said in the beginning, when the music is playing, always study music. No matter what kind of music, no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, always study music. Because it's your job as a dancer to be one with the music. And it will help you so much more in your rounds. You know, when you go to competitions, I'm going to be honest, so many people, they dance the same way on every single song, no matter the mood. Who's like a really good dancer that's absolutely good at this kind of thing? Cloud, for example. Everybody know b-boy Cloud? Not physician Cloud, b-boy Cloud, skill methods crew. Cloud is a genius
主要的是天才，
when it comes to emotion and music.
就是在音乐的情感表达这一方面是天才。
Or maybe Machine, b-boy Machine. You know Machine? He's gonna have an aggressive song. He'll be up like, what? You know? And then if it's a different type of song, he's gonna chill or whatever the music asks for.